Hi, Washington families. I'm just going to show us today how to access Microsoft Teams and how to navigate through the program. It's a pretty cool program where teachers have the ability to post assignments and websites and things like that that can really help us out, especially since we're going to be home for the rest of the school year. So first thing you want to do is go to springfieldpublicschools.com, and then you're going to go ahead and click on student links, and then click on link to the student application page of MySPS. And from here, it'll say Office 365, and so you want to go there, and you're going to log in with their student number, which is their ID number. It's the way they log on the computers, which if you don't know that number, you can reach out in ClassDojo or the website, and we can get you that. And it's going to be at springfieldpublicschools.com, and the password is their birthday. It's S, capital S, lowercase p, and then their birthday, month, day, year. So, alright, and if you can click yes to stay signed in, and then you won't have to do that every single time you log on the computer, but once we get to Office 365, you'll see there's a bunch of applications right here. If you didn't know, you can actually download Office on your computer. If you click up here, every family is allowed to download on, I believe, up to 3 or 5 devices. So you can go ahead and click download there, and you'll have it on your computer, device, tablet, things like that. But for today, we're going to go ahead and click on Teams. And so once you open up Teams, it's going to bring you into a browser version of it. Okay, now you can see this child's teacher set up multiple classes. So we have a student help desk, which is for families. If you have any trouble with your computers or questions, you can click here, and you can go ahead and you can ask questions, and somebody from Springfield Public Schools will help out. Okay, so we see what's going on here. All right, and then what you want to do is let's go ahead, and you can see that there's 4 notifications from the Washington 5th grade class. There's a English learners class, C block writing, reading block A. So you can see this child has multiple classes to use. So we're going to go ahead and look at the Washington 5th grade class for today's purposes. So let's start on the left side here. It says Washington 5th grade. It says general. Under general is where you will find assignments, and other things like that. And then right here where it says 3 hidden channels, if you click here, you can see it says fun activities, it says helpful resources, and websites. Those are just other places that teachers can post things that you can click on. So I'll just kind of show you up top. So post, this allows the child to chat with your teachers. You can see here that on this is kind of like the chat board. You see one of the teachers talking to one of a student about signing up for the newspaper. If we click on files, this is where teachers can upload files that we can post. So you can see that we've posted some math lessons here and some other things like that. If you click on class notebook, if your child's teacher has set up a class notebook, it's just like a digital notebook where you can do lots of cool stuff on here. This is where some teachers will be having assignments. If I click on the arrow right here, you can see that I have a couple files, but I have my own. The child has her own folder right here, and she has some assignments in here. And so you can see here's something for April 28th that she can go ahead and we can work on here. If I want to, I can use a drawing tool, and I can write my work in here, or if I just click on the page, I can go ahead and start typing if I need to. And then if we click up here, we'll keep going here. If we click up here to the assignments tab, this is where you can see what's due and what might be coming up. So the teachers have been playing around, and here's some activities that we've done in Flipgrid, some other things like that. And then you can see that we have some other assignments coming up that are due April 27th, due April 28th. And what you can do is you can go ahead and click on that assignment. And if I click, it says click below to complete the division assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and I can click on this. And what this does is this opens up the notebook page for me. So once I'm in the actual assignment, I can use the tools to draw on the page if I want, and I can show my work that way. If I click draw, I can go ahead and I can write out my numbers if I want, do things like that. I can also, if I just click here, and if I just want to type on the page, so I can start typing my work here if I like. I can move the box anywhere on the page. If I don't want to type on the actual picture, I can type over here. and I can show my work. And there's lots of little tools you can look at if you click and play around over here. So that's how the assignments would be. And then once I'm done with the assignment, I would hit close, and I could click turn in to my teacher, and then that would let my teacher know that I'm done with my assignment, and then they could go ahead and send me some feedback, tell me what I need to work on, things like that. So then some other things in this general up here is the teachers can post different things, like here's a link to our school website, and you can actually go on things in the website from here. So if you click on Learning at Home, you can see the different grade levels we have on the left side, and then when you click on a certain grade level, it will show you the different subjects that they have. And then again, notice here it says one more new. If I click on that, it will show us anything else that the teachers have posted to this channel. So what these are called is channels. So again, these things over here on the side are called channels. So if I click on April 27th math lessons here, you can see that the teacher posted the lessons for the week. So this is everything my child should be doing Monday, everything Tuesday, Wednesday, and so forth. And again, I can download this if I want. If I click the three dots up here, I can download it and open it in my own separate file. I can zoom in down here, things like that. Okay, you can make the screen bigger if you click here. You can make it smaller. You can refresh if it doesn't work well. Click these three dots. You can open it in the desktop app if you don't like using a browser. And then so the teacher decided to put some other activities on here. So this one's called Fun Activities. So again, there's chat. There's a chat here for when they post things, or you can ask questions. Files, there's no files here. There is a note section from the class notebook that was set up. So whenever you set up a new channel, it'll set up a new note section. But for some reason that's not working right now. But anyway, you can see the teacher put some websites here. Academics, it's fun games you can play. Hit the button. It's not working, so we'll click reload. Not sure why that's not working. Sometimes if they're not working, you can see you can go ahead and click here, and then we can either use the app or go to this site. So here we can actually go right ahead and it opens it up right in the website. So if that doesn't work, that's what we do. There's a Padlet we made, and again, two more things here that you can see, and then another channel over here is called Helpful Resources. So again, there's some digital manipulatives you can use. Again, it's not seeming to load for some reason. So again, if it doesn't load, we click on there, and then we'll click here, and we'll go ahead and go to that site. So you can see mathlearningcenter.org, free math apps that you can play with at home. There's a fraction tool from iReady, digital manipulatives. Here's a little poster for what to do when you're stuck. A couple other little things. There's some base 10 blocks here that you could go ahead and actually use right in here if you wanted to in Teams. And then the last thing would be websites. They put a channel for websites up as well. So you can see here now again the chat page, files, notes. Here's a link to the student. This was a tutorial just to see how you could use Teams. If you have any questions, you can email your teacher and they can reach out to me and I can offer you help. Thanks. Have a great day.